If CapCut keeps uploading your projects to the cloud or to space and you want to stop that from happening, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off autosync in CapCut on PC so your projects stay local and don't keep syncing in the background. This is useful if you want more privacy, want to save storage, or simply don't want CapCut uploading your drafts automatically. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you're on the main home dashboard screen. Don't open any individual project yet, because we want to work from the main project list area. Once you're on the home screen, look for your projects list. On many versions of CapCut, you'll see a section labeled Autosync or Synced Items. This is usually positioned right above your project grid or draft list. That's the area you need to focus on. Now, look next to Autosync and find the switch. If it's turned on, CapCut may be syncing your projects to the cloud or space automatically. To stop that, simply toggle the switch off. As soon as you turn it off, CapCut should stop automatically uploading new project data through that sync feature. If you don't see the option there, don't worry, there's another way to turn it off. Go into CapCut settings. In the settings menu, look for any option related to sync, cloud sync, or autosync. Then switch autosync off there as well. This is a good backup method if the dashboard toggle doesn't appear on your version of CapCut. After turning it off, take a moment to double check that sync is disabled. That way you can be confident that your projects are no longer being uploaded automatically. If your goal is to keep your edits offline or avoid using CapCut space, this is the setting you want to change. And that's it. Once autosync is off, CapCut should stop uploading your projects to the cloud or space automatically. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials, PC fixes, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.